want to share a little bit about my sweet Mỹ Tâm. When we met, her favorite phrase was, "I'm so shy." In the last year, I've seen her come out of her shell so much. I know in public she's always very outward and confident and very professional, but personally she's always been very quiet and shy. Now, she makes me feel shy. She's so outgoing and so strong.
Kể từ khi chúng ta đính hôn, anh và em đã tự động, không còn nói câu gia đình anh, gia đình em, hay bố mẹ anh, hay bố mẹ em, mà thay vào đó là câu gia đình chúng ta, bố mẹ chúng ta. Em thật hạnh phúc vì chúng ta tuy hai người nhưng như là một. Em cảm ơn anh đã đến trong cuộc sống của em và mang cho em quá nhiều hạnh phúc ngọt ngào mỗi ngày. Em cảm ơn anh rất nhiều. I love you.
Mỹ Tâm, my love, my whole life I waited for you. I did not know I was looking for you until I found you. You're the love of my life that I did not know I was looking for. Now that we have found each other, I can't wait to build a family together. I love you now and forever. Anh yêu em.
Anh yêu em.
Hey Joe and Mỹ Tâm, thank you guys so much for letting us be a part of this wonderful, wonderful occasion. It was so lovely. It was just the most beautiful wedding and experience. We all really felt how much you guys loved each other, and it was just wonderful. It was the most beautiful night I've had in Hanoi. And thank you so much, and you guys, I'm so looking forward to seeing and hearing about the rest of your life.
Chúc cho ngày Joe và Mỹ Tâm chân thân hạnh phúc nha.
Touch the sky, women knees hit the ground.